In the name of God. Hello, welcome to Editech. If you have a video that is very shaky and you want to remove its shake, we do it like this. First, I import the video into Premiere. I make a copy of it, so you can clearly see the difference between the two videos. We move it to the left so we can compare them. From Effects, we search for Warp Stabilizer and apply it. We wait for the analysis to be done. From the effect controls, we can see the percentage of the analysis completed. We wait for the analysis to finish. Here we see how smooth and good the stabilized video on the left has become. Sometimes when we apply the stabilizer effect, we may see this error. If you haven't subscribed and liked, do so and we'll go fix this error. The reason for this error is that a specific effect was previously applied to the video or that we changed the video speed beforehand. To fix this error, we right-click on the video and convert it to a nested sequence. Now we apply the Warp Stabilizer effect to the nested sequence. The effect that was applied inside the nested sequence and is directly on the video, we delete it with the delete key on the keyboard. When the analysis is finished, we see that the stabilizer has been done. When we apply this effect, we lose a small amount of the video's edges. Good luck and God bless.